Cash is king in a bear market, which 90% of my research says we are in. My buying power today went up nicely as stocks got pummeled. For those still holding stocks, it was a brutal day. It's been a brutal week with generally everything on the chopping block this week other than defensive stocks. It's been a brutal month with almost everything down other than energy. And in the last 3 months, energy, healthcare, utilities, and financials has outperformed. That's good, right? No. Those are the sectors that outperform at the first and middle stages of a bear market. So hurry up and buy the dip, right? No. The NASDAQ 100 QQQ getting slammed as of 2:37 this afternoon, making unconfirmed breakdowns below $480 a share and $475 a share. If the NASDAQ 100 can close meaningfully lower on Monday or Tuesday and confirm the breakdowns, look out below. The Qs, if it confirms the breakdown, could easily go down to $462 a share. I've had a lot of people in my TikTok feed tell me for one technical reason or another why they think this is not a bear market. Think about what's going to happen to those people and the millions of people like them and the millions of people that don't even know the bear market already started. These folks are waiting for their number to come in. Well, by the time their number says we're in a bear market, the S&P 500 might be down 20%. By that time, these people are screwed. This is why people ask me to invest their accounts for them. The dollar was weaker today, and in a bear market and a slowing economy, which we are in, a weaker dollar is bearish. The dollar was never able to confirm the breakout above 104.23. Therefore, we are still in that confirmed breakdown range between 104.23 and 103.18. Watch these levels. If it can break higher or lower, it would be relatively bullish or bearish. Watch it. Lower yields are bearish in a bear market and slowing economy, while the 10-year yield today making an unconfirmed breakdown below the 4.32% level. If we can confirm meaningfully lower on Monday or Tuesday, that would generally be bearish in my mind. If we do confirm the breakdown, 10-year yield could easily go down to 4.20%. Be careful. Crude oil down on the day today, which is great because yesterday I started a short position in crude oil. So I'm very happy with that. So are my members. This is why people join my stock picking service. This is not investment advice, and if you don't know me, I'm John Crocker, professional investor, proud American, cigar lover, and owner of Crocker Capital, LLC. Inflation has generally ticked higher since October. PCE came in a little bit hot today. Now you might say, John, in a bear market, that's bullish, right? And I would say, well, that alone could be bullish, but in a slowing economy, increasing inflation and a slowing economy leads to stagflation, which is bearish, not good for the stock market. Speaking of a slowing economy, and here's more facts for all of the slowing economy deniers, the Philly Fed Services Index, in other words, it is the sentiment and outlook of non-manufacturing businesses in the district covered by the Philly Fed. The index essentially fell off a cliff, falling 19.4 points in March to its lowest level since COVID. Other than 2022, this is the worst reading in 14 years, so hurry up and buy the dip, right? No. I know I have foreshadowed some over the last week or two that if I thought it was right, I could potentially short Chinese stocks. The FXI is one of the exchange-traded funds, mirroring the large cap stocks over in China. And even though the FXI today did confirm the breakdown below about $37 a share, personally, I can be wrong. I will not be shorting Chinese stocks at this time because, again, even though we confirmed the breakdown, the underlying short-term emotions here in Chinese stocks is pretty fearful. And what happens when we get overly extended to the side of fear, it generally and eventually always pops back up. So I don't think I will be shorting China. I can't tell the future, but I think stocks could be down next week. What do you think happens next week? Let me know in the comments.